Welcome to a world where elegance meets comfort, a luxury villa designed to last forever. This isn't just a home, it's a masterpiece that blends art, architecture, and atmosphere. Every corner whispers sophistication, every surface tells a story of craftsmanship and grace. As we step through the grand entrance, sunlight spills across polished marble floors. The high ceilings, framed with soft arches, create a sense of calm and grandeur. Natural light dances through large windows, revealing textures, tones, and timeless beauty. The living area exudes warmth, a perfect balance between modern minimalism and classical detail. Plush seating, soft beige palettes, and golden accents create an ambience of effortless luxury. Each piece of furniture feels intentional, functional, elegant, and designed to last decades. Subtle art pieces add depth, while neutral walls keep the focus on space and serenity. The use of marble, wood, and brass gives the room both warmth and prestige. Every element complements the other, nothing feels loud, yet everything feels rich. Moving towards the dining area, the atmosphere shifts from cozy to stately. A long marble dining table anchors the room, surrounded by sculpted chairs. Overhead, a golden chandelier glows softly, casting gentle reflections on the polished surfaces. This is where modern dining meets ancient grace, timeless design in motion. The kitchen combines minimalism with luxury, sleek lines, natural light, and quiet functionality. Every detail, from the fixtures to the finishes, exudes understated refinement. Here, beauty lies not in excess, but in simplicity perfected through design. Moving deeper inside, we find a private reading corner near arched windows. The sunlight filters through linen curtains, creating soft golden patterns on stone floors. A cozy armchair, side lamp, and small bookshelf turn this space into pure tranquility. The villa's heart lies in its balance, symmetry, proportion, and natural flow. Each hallway leads to art, every room designed as a continuation of the last. In the master bedroom, serenity becomes the theme. Soft tones, layered textures, and minimal decor bring peaceful energy to the space. The bed stands elegantly against a textured wall, simple, structured, and inviting. Subtle gold trims and linen fabrics create a quiet sense of indulgence. The room feels like time itself slows down, designed for stillness and reflection. Through sliding glass doors, a terrace opens to breathtaking views of nature. The outdoor seating mirrors the indoor design, elegant, neutral, and naturally inviting. A small fountain nearby adds the soothing sound of flowing water. Evening lights turn the villa into a warm golden retreat under the night sky. The exterior design blends modern geometry with classical balance, every line intentional. Columns, arches, and symmetry recall the heritage of ancient villas, reimagined for today. Inside and outside feel seamlessly connected, creating one continuous living experience. The villa uses natural materials, stone, glass, and wood, to maintain authenticity and texture. Even in luxury, the design stays humble, prioritizing comfort and longevity over excess. Art isn't an addition here, it's part of the architecture itself. From the mosaic floor to sculptural details, craftsmanship is celebrated, not hidden. The lighting design deserves its own praise, every glow adds emotion to the structure. Daylight enhances the architecture, night lighting highlights its timeless beauty. The villa feels alive, it breathes light, space, and serenity. Each detail reflects intention, a celebration of heritage and modern living intertwined. This is timeless design, elegance that never shouts, only whispers sophistication. Every texture, every material, every reflection contributes to the villa's poetic harmony. Luxury here means peace, proportion, and perfection, not extravagance. The home invites you to pause, breathe, and appreciate the beauty of stillness. This villa proves that true design isn't about trends, it's about feeling at home. A masterpiece of balance, light, and grace, a luxury villa built to transcend time.